In this video I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to find wholesale suppliers for any niche. Instead of manually creating a list using Google, this method saves a ton of time. In the second part I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to draft a professional email to contact those suppliers. I'll leave all the prompts in the description below. Let's get started. With a prompt just like this, create a list of 25 grocery wholesale supplier in Chicago. You can exchange the grocery niche with any niche that you like: beauty, home, electronics. I personally like items that customers have to repeatedly order, so I think grocery is a good category to use for wholesale, but also beauty, shampoo, this type of products. Alright, let ChatGPT create a list. And it's coming up with Cisco Chicago, GFS Marketplace, US Foods Chicago, Restaurant Depot Chicago, Gordon Food Service, Midwest Foods. It's already 25. In order for you to find products that you can constantly reorder, you probably have to do another 4 or 5 lists, so you can have over 100 different suppliers that you can contact. Then just take any of them, let's say Fortune Fish and Gourmet, and click on the supplier. And then in this case, it basically just needs the contact us. Let's take a quick look. Were they hiding it? Okay, so in this case they have a form that you can fill out on the website. Let's just take a look at another one. Vitron Integrated Logistics. Alright, once you're on the website, just click on contact. And there you go, just take the email address. Now you can use ChatGPT to create a draft to contact the supplier. So just type in something like draft email to supplier to open wholesale account. I was definitely surprised how good this email was. What is coming up? Dear supplier, I hope this email finds you well. You can adjust the template as you see fit. I would never write this, but I'm writing to inquire about opening a wholesale account with your company. We are a small business looking to source high quality products at competitive prices, and we believe that your company can meet our needs. We're interested in purchasing a list of products on a regular basis. In order to begin our partnership, we would like to request information about your wholesale pricing, payment terms, minimum order quantities, and delivery options. Additionally, we would appreciate any information you can provide about products, availability, and lead times. Please let us know if it's possible to open a wholesale account with your company and how we can get started. We look forward to hearing from you and building a long-term relationship. Thank you for your time and consideration. You can just add this template or change this template as you see fit. I'll leave these points with you, which I believe should be definitely included in your mail, which is minimum order quantity, the payment terms, delivery and shipping options, lead time for orders, and any other requirements. Okay, so now you know how to find suppliers, you know how to create a draft. Now it's all about a numbers game. If you have not been able to open a wholesale account, you've just not sent out enough emails. If you contact at least 100 suppliers, you will definitely find enough inventory that you can source on a regular basis. Now, if you want to increase the percentage of positive replies, you can also add a value proposition. So you're not only taking but also giving something back. For example, you can offer to optimize the Amazon listing by changing or adding pictures, uploading a product video, optimizing the title, bullet points and descriptions with keywords that have a very high search volume. Alright, that is it for now. See you in the next one.